27 years old, Japanese, and he's not happy with the shape of his hairline, which looking about M shape. So we have done 2000 grafts for him. Today is day 40 with the smart FUE technique. It's only 2 weeks. We have harvested 2000 grafts from this quadrant. We can see in the smart FUE technique, there is a rapid healing, and you can see the hair is already starting to grow and it's going to cover this quadrant area here. This is the upper margin, this is the lower margin. When nation is able to cover this, this is called unshaven technique, undetectable technique. He wanted to lower his hairline as his forehead is very high. He have done a very good smart graft care. It's already 2 weeks. All the shaft of the hair we planted it in the right position. Advantage of this technique, he has this existing hair here. He's able to cover and he's able to go to work. He's able to face the public.
今日で術後2週間です。一応今は、定着してきたかなというのが、分かっています。で、ちょっとカウンセリングはそんなに丁寧ではなかったですけど、今のところは、満足してます。Thank you, GLOJAS.